everyone out there in TV land. My name's Ollie the Ostrich, and I'm here today with Mr. Teng. Hi, Mr. Teng. How you doing?
Hey, Ollie. Glad to be here with you, bud.
We're happy to have you. What kind of math are we doing today?
So for this week, our kindergarten friends are finishing up their unit on some pathways to addition, subtraction, and measurement. So we're going to go ahead and take a look at some of the review stuff for that.
Okay, sounds great. Let's get into it. What do we got?
So we're going to start off with comparing some pennies. The directions say, count the pennies in each frame, write how many there are, then draw lines to the words to show which frame has more and which has less.
Oh, we can do this.
Okay, let's go ahead and take a look at the sample here. Number one, we have 5 pennies at the top, because we know that in a 10 frame, it's groups of 5 and 5. So 5, 6, 7, 8. And we have our 8 here. We have to trace it. And then we have in our other 10 frame, we have 5, 6, 7. Trace our 7.
Wonderful.
And I know you're better at paying attention to directions than I am.
Huh?
It says draw lines to the words to show which frame has more and which has less. Can you review for our friends at home? What is more, what is less?
More is when you have, more of something, and less is when you have less of something.
I can always count on you, Ollie, for these
Aren't I great with
perfect definitions.
I'm good, aren't I?
Okay, so let's take a look. When I have more of something, that means the quantity is greater than the other, right?
That's what I was trying to say.
So, for example, this is already done for us. So 8 is more than 7, and 7 is less.
There we go. And someone already drew the lines.
You ready, bud?
I'm ready.
All right. So let's start with number 2. We have 5 in our top frame, so one more is
6.
I love the strategies that we're using to help build our sense of numbers.
Sense? Oh, look at you.
Tell you what, instead of counting all of these for the other one, can you tell me another way you can figure out how many is in there?
Well, if that last one was filled in, it would be 10, but it's empty. So we could say 10, take away 1, maybe?
Yeah, exactly, and that would be?
That'd be 9.
So instead of sitting here counting 1, 2, 3, I mean, I know we're in kindergarten, but we're way past that, right?
Oh, yeah.
All
we have
right.
more sense than that.
So we have 10 altogether, take away 1, that would be 9. And like Ali is saying, we're making sense of it.
Oh, yeah.
All right, so which number associates with less? Which one is more?
Well, 9 is more than 6. So 9
is more, and
9's
6 is less.
There we go.
Awesome, last one. 3.
Oh, look, they're all there.
They're all there.
5 of them, and another 5. That's 10.
So we have 5 and 5. It's a doubles fact, or we know the whole entire 10 frame is filled in. That's going to be
10.
And then we have our other 10 frame here with half of it filled in, or just a top row, which would be
5.
Okay, and I think just by looking at it, we can make sense that 10 is going to be more than 5. So 5 is going to be less.
There we go.
Great practice. Another thing you guys can do at home with these is if you want to take a bunch of counters out, cereal, well, make sure you have your parents' permission to do this. Put it out there and count how many you have in one hand and count how many you have in the other hand and start thinking about which one is more, which one is less.
And then eat the cereal.
Yeah, you can eat the cereal.
Oh, yeah.
Don't make a mess.
Nope.
And you can blame Ollie for it if you do.
Yes, exactly.
All right, let's go ahead and take a look at a little bit more comparing pennies here. How many pennies are there in each hand? Write the number to show. Draw a blue X on the hand with fewer pennies. So we did this last week. Just a little bit more practice with it. We're gonna go pretty quickly here, okay?
Okay, let's
do it. So we
do
have, I'll do the
speed round.
Let's take turns, Ollie.
Okay.
Do you want to start or do you want me to start?
Oh, you go first.
All right. So I see I have 1 penny here. And I have 2 pennies here. So I have 1 plus 2 equals 3. So look, Ollie, I took my time, I counted it, and then I said my equation, and then I was able to make sense of it.
Okay.
Your turn.
Okay. Wait, we're not finished though. Don't we have to draw a blue X on the hand?
I keep forgetting the blue X.
Mr. Teng.
All right, so again, it's my turn.
Gotta read the directions.
1 is less than 2. That's where my blue X
There we
goes.
go. Okay, can I do the next
Now
one?
it's your turn.
Okay, 3, I see 3, plus 1. There's 1 on the other one. So 3 plus 1 equals 4. And let's see, the blue X goes on the hand with 1 penny. One is less.
So boys and girls, as Ollie and I are doing these up here, hopefully you're thinking through the same thing. I'll give you 1 second before I say my answer, and then you can kind of think through it as well.
Perfect.
So in my left hand, how many pennies do I have? I have 0. So that's going to...
Mr. Teng's so sad, he has no sense.
I have no sense.
So sad.
And then in my other hand, I have 1, 2, 3, 4. And in my addition problem, it's going to be 0 plus 4 equals 4. And I knew that one because I have nothing and I'm adding it to 4, so I still have 4. And I'm not going to forget my blue X that time.
Don't forget the X, Mr. Teng.
All right, let's do one more together, Ollie.
Let's do it. I'll just do the next one.
Okay.
Let's see. 4, I see 4 there. And the other hand has 1, so 4 plus 1 equals, drum roll, Mr. Teng. 4 plus 1 equals 5.
All right, and finish strong. Which hand gets the blue X?
Oh, the right hand is so sad it only has 1 penny.
1 penny.
Give it an X.
So we did a lot of practice with counting pennies, comparing pennies, being able to tell which one is more, which one is less, and then even doing some addition in here.
We are so
boys and girls, we
fancy.
covered a lot today.
We did a great job, Mr. Teng.
I think so.
Girls and boys, thank you so much for tuning in. We'll see you next time on Math Homework Helpers. Bye-bye.
Whoa. Before we go.
What did I forget?
We're going to bring in the new year with our next live show on January 11th. Right here at the Hideout.
Okay, January 11th.
You going to be here?
Oh, I'll be here. You kidding? I wouldn't miss it for the world.
All right, hopefully we'll have a bunch of friends here. Call in, win some prizes, and have some fun doing some math.
Sounds perfect. Okay, we'll see you guys on January 11th. Bye-bye.